All things were better in the good old days. That's what I hear all the people say. Look at the bankers, the edge must be true. In sunshine sold umbrellas, now it rains, they want them back from you. All things were better in the good old days. That's what I hear all the people say. Take the Dutch railway, all was under control. Today we need 2 inches of snow to let the whole damn system fall. All things were better in the former years, except for one case, so bright and clear. Just only one thing doesn't affect the rule. You don't read it in the books or learn it at high school. If you wanna know, and listen to this too. All things were better in the former years, except for one case, so bright and clear. No shoulder pads, sport or butterfly vests, too much eyeshadow or false eyelashes. It's unbelievable but true, the opposite side breaks through. All things were nicer than it is today. Only the women look better now than in the good old days.